Hey guys, so I ordered this about a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago on the Weekender Warehouse, like July sale. I think it was around the 4th of July. This guy was only 50 bucks and it's a receiver ready version, so it does not have a receiver or transmitter, but I mean, it's an FPV racing drone and I figured, hey, for 50 bucks, why not? I'll check it out, see what cool things it has, if it's worth it, and if not, I'm sure there's something I can do with it to make it worth my while. So this video is just going to be an unboxing and open box analysis to kind of look at what's in here, what I see, and I might follow up with a review video later on the aircraft itself and how it flies and any issues I ran into. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so here's what you get in the box. This is for the receiver ready version, not the RTF version. So we have the drone and addendum paperwork telling you about flashing some firmware, the manual, you have a strap, and then you have the antenna here. You also have in the, well, not in the box, but as you can see, there was a lot of foam. So it was really well protected. Give them credit on that. There's probably no way this thing's gonna get damaged. And yeah, here's the drone itself. So you got the camera in the front. You can see the board there running in through the center. You have some LEDs on the back with the XT60 battery plug. And then you have, I assume, all the servo cables. So most of the drones I have are, I think PPM is the term I'm looking for. I know you drone guys are probably smacking your heads right now. My knowledge of drones, like I said, is intermediate at best. So I'm gonna need to read the manual, find out a little bit more. So this box unboxing video was pretty brief. There's not a lot to go over. You know, like I said, Velcro, the antenna for the FPV, and then the transmitter, and then the drone itself, all pretty much ready to go once you pop a receiver in. So yeah, that's where we're at, and hope that was useful, maybe. Really quick before I close out this unboxing video, I wanted to point out one thing that this is probably one of the biggest downsides of this sucker is the frequency chart for the FPV. It's using dip switches. It's not built into the interface where you can do it through the, using your transmitter and OS on-screen display. This is actual dip switches, and according to this, it says you have to remove the actual frame to get to it. You know, that's not the worst thing in the world, having to take this canopy off and then remove this top plate, but still, that's not something easy to change. And I will say, if you went to a field and you wanted to race with guys, it's kind of a bummer having to spend 5 minutes or so to take this thing apart, just to switch your channels and go back into it. But still, for 50 bucks, I guess, what can you expect? And so maybe I'll follow up with a review and give a little bit more input on my impressions with this.